All right, good morning, you guys. I am sharing with you now my ceiling. You probably can't even see it because it's so white, but like this is a nail pop, that's a nail pop, that's a nail pop. And then if you look on this side of the wall, these right here were where nail pops were at also. And then I'm gonna go here and you can see that right there. And then if you look further by the door, all of these areas right here were nail pops. All up through here, okay? This is actually after about 2 days of Joseph coming in and doing repairs. And you can see nail pops are here too. You can see nail pops are there too, like right here. And that's just because the flat paint has just a little bit more sheen than the actual mud that went onto the wall. And you see, if you look here, you'll see these spots. So Joseph went around and fixed a lot of the areas that I didn't even spot with my own eyes. And then all of these areas here were also repaired. And then he also hit some areas in the kitchen. So that had to get done. It's been really dusty in the house. I'll show you guys this also. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what this looked like before. Joseph is going around fixing some of the holes in the ceiling. You really can't see them. But if you can tell, this is the original hole, right? And then Joseph is putting a nail front and back to hold that seam. Let me go here so you guys can see. That's the original hole. There were so many that I decided to call Joseph to do the repairs. This is another reason why it's a really, really good idea to not paint until a year. A lot of you guys have mentioned to me like, oh my God, you're doing all these things. What about the house settling? The other things I feel like I can fix. The nail pop is something that I'm probably gonna deal with for the next like 2 years, but because I'm painting now, I felt like, okay, let me just go ahead and fix all those nail pops. Unfortunately, because the ceiling is white, you can't really see it, but it's a lot of them, like a lot. This is a project that I feel like you can do yourself, but because I'm painting, I didn't want to overexert myself by trying to do that and then paint. So Joseph came in.
I'll do the muscle power.
You'll do the what?
Muscle power.
Yeah, I need that. This is the best that I can do. You see the ceiling? And then over here, you see that? He just went around and did those right there, did those, and then over there, right here, fix those right there. So the ceiling's gonna be, well, the ceiling's gonna be as smooth as it's gonna be. The ceiling does have some imperfection in them, but I'm not gonna try to do the ceilings over. And then Joseph is over here doing over there, okay? And then this wall right here got done, see that? And you can see, this is one beam on the wall that's having this, so. And this is very normal also, just to put out there now. Next thing is, so I'm currently in my office now. I'm gonna be setting up my phone because I got a new phone. So this is my old phone, this is my new phone. This right here is for the car, but I'm gonna take that off anyway. So I've got the Note 20. I've had the Note 8 for a minute now. And so now I have this. I have to relearn it. Wish me luck. Because I am not tech savvy whatsoever. Here, input the password, please.
It's all about life.
You don't know nothing about that life. Where you going, Donnie?
I want to get my hair done.
Oh, snap! Go! You about to be cute.
Look at what I just did.
Oh my gosh, look at my phone.
Oh, 42.
You guys, so let me tell you, when I went into the store, they had another phone that was like half of this side, but then when you open it, it was like almost like a tablet. I was like, oh my goodness, I really like that a lot.
Look about the OG.
A lot.
Look at the OG link.
I don't know what it's called, but it's if it's an LG. Y'all, I've been trying to do this for an hour. Jeez.
I like how she calls you the minute you finally get it down.
You guys, my first win, which is the Vase still water. Yes, I'm that special. I'm gonna buy all these waters. Yes, I am. I'm finna buy. I'm finna buy. I'm finna buy. All right, you guys, I have to get a few Tupperwares. I want to show you two things. First one is this one here. A lot of you guys have been asking about these, and here are some bowls. As you can see the label, it says oven to table, and you see it says max temp 400. So these are some really good bowls. You see that? This is like the ultimate mom buggy, because that's all I got, a bunch of mom stuff. I'll see you guys back at the house.
Take water first.
You can take this stuff with you upstairs. Hold on a second.
Walk it out. We work it out. We work it out. We work it out. Baby boom.
No, I need storage.
The lie. Oh, I didn't know you were gonna keep
Day after day. This homeschooling thing ain't for me. I'm trying to tell you.
Oh,
All right.
I go to school.
I'm trying to get you there. I just don't want you to die in the process. Anywho, okay, you guys, I am gonna be doing a haul because I don't know what happened with yesterday's video. I think when I went to edit, it was pretty long, so I was like, let me just split it. So I'm gonna be cleaning the kitchen, which is like a hot mess. Don't judge me, okay? Eco bamboo washcloths. I didn't buy them because they were eco-friendly. I just grabbed them because I needed some washcloths. So I grabbed a total of four. Here you go, Tris, so I can wash these. So the next thing that I did also is I grabbed some Miracle Wipes for electronics, Streak Free Shine. And then I also grabbed these Tupperwares. I grabbed a set of 3. The ones that I really want are sold out on Overstock and some other websites. I guess everyone's organizing. And so I got these. I know I'm not gonna keep these long. This is basically if someone comes over to my house and I cooked and they want to take something, they can. Or if I make the boys something and they're leaving out really quickly or whatever, they can have these little bowls and stuff like that. So I'm gonna rinse everything today. Leave that here. So I purchased 3 boxes of 12. Oh, that's heavy. So let me just tell y'all, okay, I really don't have a whole lot of company. Let me just say that. If you ever hear me speak and I say company, I'm gonna tell you now, it's my friend, it's my assistant, and possibly like my cousin, okay? That's about it. I don't really have a whole bunch of people coming in and out of my house just because I just don't, okay? Especially now, like, I can just be like, oh, it's COVID, so, So if you ever hear me say, like, I'm having company or whatever, it's probably that. I don't really do new people in the life. Anyway, I say all that to say, I am definitely one of those people that I will be like, I'm the hostess with the mostest because I don't really have people come over. So, I like to cook and all these things. And these bottles are so cute. First of all, the water is not like alkaline or nothing special, honey. But what I will say is they're in these pretty glass bottles and they're so cute. And I absolutely love them. Thank you. Music to my ears, you guys. So I'm putting on my Pandora. Music is about to be on and cleaning is about to be in queue. I'm gonna tell you now, I was excited, I was dancing, and then I realized exactly how much work I had to do. By the time I ended up unpacking the waters to put them in the pantry, my camera died. So I went on ahead and just cleaned the kitchen. I'm so sorry. I wasn't gonna wait for the battery to come back for me to clean, but you guys have seen me clean so many times. I washed the dishes and now I am taking out the trash. I'm also emptying out some of the items in the dishwasher. So once I'm done with that, I'm moving on to sweeping. There's a lot of dust in the house, and I do mean a lot of dust in the house because the ceilings and also the wall had to be done in terms of the nail pop. I was only going to do the walls, but Joseph said everything needed to be done, so I did everything. So I'm really happy and excited for the new coat of paint to go on. Once I get done sweeping, I'm not going to mop. I'm going to wait until after I paint to mop the floors, just so that way I'm not doing like double the work. I should be able to
paint the walls in a full week. So right now, my main focus is getting the kitchen clean and getting things organized because I will be making dinner. So now that I'm done with the cleaning, what I'm doing is going into the pantry, which I cleaned, you guys. I'm pulling out my beans, all of my seasonings, any sort of vegetables, meat that I'm going to be cooking for the day. I'm pulling everything out and prepping them on the counter. That way, when I get ready to cook this afternoon, I can have everything ready. I did end up cooking on live for those of you guys that are interested. So for those of you guys that tune into live, thank you. Also, let me just say the one thing that has been saving me during this pandemic is video calls. None of my friends have been able to come down to visit me since I've moved into my house. So I do video and they stay up to date with what's going on with the house. So I'm really, really appreciative for that. But I ended up going into Homegoods and buying a few things. This was actually from a second order. And I ended up picking up my boots. I'm not going to be sharing them in this video, but I do have another video coming up. I have a try on haul coming up, decor, some other stuff. I think I have about 5 videos already pre-recorded that I have to kind of go over and tweak for you guys. That way I know things are situated for the next 2 weeks. I'm really, really excited. So you guys probably won't see the paint video for about 3 weeks, but the house will be painted. If you want to keep up with what's going on with the house in real time, I highly recommend checking me out on Instagram. That is at Style by Casanova. I do post little reels and I also post items on my story. That way you guys can see what's going on. But that is pretty much it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next time. Bye. Have a good day.